things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
On behalf of the Rotary Club of San Jose Golden Harvest, I am deeply honored and welcome you to our 10th turnover and 11th induction ceremony and charter presentation of our Rotary Club of San Jose Golden Harvest.
Ang inyong sakripisyo, oras at bukas palad na pagtulong ang nagbigay buhay sa ating mga proyekto at nagpapatunay na tayo ay tunay ng pamilya sa paglilingkod.
You have been chosen for membership in the Rotary Club of San Jose Golden Harvest.
I, Pauline Yerminez, after having been duly elected to the position of President of the Rotary Club of San Jose Golden Harvest. This is just the beginning, but I also know that this beginning is powerful. We may be young, but our passion is strong. We may be new, but our commitment is genuine.
I, Antonio Reyes Manu Jr., being duly elected as a President of the Rotary Club of San Jose Golden Harvest.
We're very proud to be here, and we're very honored to be such good friends with your club and be involved in this wonderful project.
Ang ating pagtitipon ngayong gabi ay hindi lamang tungkol sa turnover o induction. Ito ay patunay na buhay ang ating diwa ng paglilingkod.
This is more than a ceremony. It is a living testament that leadership in Rotary is not about titles, but about service, vision, and the courage to inspire others.